Hey YouTubers, good morning. What we got going here today is we're going to see if this $29 power inverter we got from Harbor Freight will blend with our mini magic bullet. This is a battery I got on Amazon, 12 volt. It's really good to have for hurricane stuff. I also use it when fishing with trolling motor. And you can get these magic bullets at Walmart, actually cheaper than you can Amazon. So turn on our power inverter. Yep, it works. So if you lose power, hurricane comes, you have a way to make some cold drinks if you get some ice. You can blend them up. So that's good to know. I don't think this would work with my old Vitamix. I couldn't find the power rating on this, what horsepower of the motor it is in any of the literature, but it works with a cheap $29 Harbor Freight inverter and a 12 volt. Guys, hope this was something helpful to you. You might want to invest in this for security in case you have a problem at the house. You have backup. You can get one of these gadgets. That way you can hook anything that you can use in your car, 12 volt. You can plug into this and run off your battery in the house. All right, guys, hope this was something helpful to you, and I'm going to have my breakfast. See you out there.